So we will factor the quantity of A minus B, the quantity raised to the power of 2 or squared. Okay, again, this factoring is factoring by perfect square trinomial. Okay, so squaring a binomial generates a perfect square trinomial, or a perfect square trinomial is a result of squaring a binomial. So, okay, so una, we have to square the first term of the first term of a binomial, which is a. So square natin si a, yan. And then since negative ito, sulat natin dito negative. And then kunin natin yung product ng first term at saka second term, or twice the product of the first term and the second term. So twice the product of the first term and second term. Si A ang first term, si B ang second term. Okay? Then, plus, we have to square the second term, which is si B. So, square natin si B, so magiging B squared. Okay?